Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get our money back from Cash App. So for that you need to open up your Cash App, then hit up on this clock icon on the top or bottom. Some people have it on the top and some might have it on the bottom. Just click on it and this will basically open up your activity. And here you will be able to see all the transactions that have been gone through your account. So just click on any of the transaction that you want to dispute or receive the money for. Just click on it. If that particular transaction is pending, then just simply click on the pending option and you will be able to cancel it up. That way you will receive your money back. But in case if the payment has already been made, then just simply click on that particular transaction, and then on the top right hand side corner you will be able to see three dots. Just click on it and click on report an issue, and after that select the reason for your issue. Like if you have sent the amount to a wrong person, just select it and confirm it. After that, other person will receive a message regarding this, that they have received the money by mistake, and then Cash App will ask them to refund the money to you. So this way you will be able to do it. And what I have heard from the people out there is that Cash App usually don't help that much in these cases, but still you can just contact the support of Cash App and they would be able to help you out in some way. So this is how you get your money back from Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.